having a bit of trouble, eh?
Always. Yeah, just a bit of fuel problem, I think.
Fuel issues, yeah?
Not picking up from the bottom of the tank, so.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
It was coughing and spluttering a little bit out there.
Yeah. To say we got to the same corner each time, I think that's probably the...
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, go the other way.
Yeah. Oh, we never thought about that. Go the other way, mate.
Turn the tank around.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So, what actually is Volkswagen left in this?
Basically the front end and the motor and gearbox with the torsion rear end and everything. It's got the prefect chassis, prefect body, built early 60s by a bloke named Paul Cannon and one of his mates. So yeah, something different. We pulled it out of his barn a couple of weeks back. It didn't have a motor in it on Wednesday, so we're lucky we got here.
Oh wow, yeah. So what, the motor's full barn find as well, yeah?
Yeah, I pulled it out of a front yard of some bloke down the road, and it was a complete boodle. I drove it to the workshop, pulled the motor out of it on Wednesday, dropped it into this.
At lunchtime
on Thursday. How good is that?
Lunchtime at work, the motor was out and back in this, went and had lunch, and then we were back to work. So
yeah, I bet you while you're on your lunch break you thought, you know what, I might enter it into this thing.
It's been the plan for a while, and then we made it happen, but kind of.
Yeah, no, it's all about fun, isn't it?
Absolutely.
You know?
And it's also about figuring out what we need to do to it to get it.
Exactly, yeah, it'll evolve. Bigger, better next year, you know?
Oh, absolutely. Or just more consistency.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If we can start it and run it, then that's basically a heap more fun.
Oh,
we're nailing
100%.
the consistency.
Yeah.
We make it to turn 2 and then it dies. So.
Yeah, so we're consistent.
Yeah, no, that's it. Where is the fuel tank located? Just there, yeah.
Right next to the driver's seat, in front of the firewall.
Oh, yeah, yep.
So,
yeah, well, you can check the level while you're on the run, mate.
That's when I've had fuel problems. While it's out there half cuffing and spluttering, I can see where it is in the fuel filter. And
yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, so you can half your diagnostic procedure's done
the
there,
best
mate.
part is if it catches on fire.
Yeah, that's it. At least you're not like bloody squeezing a fuel pump with your hand, you know, like as you're going down the road.
That's not a bad idea. I've got one of
a little Milwaukee air blower, so we'll just turn it into
yeah.
stick
Well,
it over the top of that and away we go.
You guys have been there before. Good on you, gents. Look, I hope you have an awesome time, man, you know, and they're all the best for you.
Legend, cheers.
It's just to be here with everything else, man. It's great.
Good vibes, isn't it?
Good time.
Everyone's been really friendly and sort of said, oh man, don't change your thing, it looks great.
Oh, 100%, yeah, you can't change this. Yeah. This car looks absolutely awesome. You know, it's the reverse engine setup, you know, it's cool. Somebody back in the day would have figured, you know, I've got half a Beetle and half an Austin or whatever it was, and let's do this.
But face still clear, but he's done well to do that. Oh, look out, he's an old crowd favourite. The first time out today, we've got Buckley off the trailer as he's coming through the gates now. Backing up from another weekend last weekend, holding a flat stick, we've got Paul here.
Hey mate, how are you? Love the letterbox, man. Alright for Eva shit?
It's a 59 Mark II Ford Zephyr. HR front end, VK Commodore rack, Windsor 5 litre, EL Falcon diff, Fairmont wheel arches, EK tail lights, WRX seats, AU column.
Wow, is there much left of the original car?
What's not rusted out of the body.
Good on you, mate, yeah. What do you got running under the bonnet?
302 Windsor.
302 Windsor. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. What's this one out of? Late model or?
Yeah, EB.
Oh, EB, yeah, right.
We just put a carby on it.
Yeah, yeah. Is there much involved in doing a carb swap? Like
that,
you have to
change
much from
the
EFI?
valve, you take off the electronics.
Yeah.
You got to change that, and you got to change your distributor.
Oh,
So
okay, yeah.
Get one that'll run timing because they're all computer controlled.
Ah, okay, yeah. So pretty much you can swap over the older parts and away you go.
You got to still sort that shit out.
Ah, okay. The belt system.
Yeah. Unless you re-drill an older style pulley to mount onto that, and then get a different
okay,
alternator and a bracket and that. I just found it easier to take
Yep.
that idler and make a complete circuit out of it that way.
As I know all too well, there's about 6,000 different pulleys for the front of this engine.
Yeah, you've been down that road.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
So just put that EL diff in.
Okay, looks like you might be getting some traction, hopefully.
411s, yeah. You still.
It was 323s.
What sort of box you got in?
FMX.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Because I got it for the right price.
Yeah, yeah. So
what
3
you
speed still, isn't it? Yeah,
auto,
yeah.
Just got a BM shifter in it.
Back on the
Oh, yeah.
No flash, no gauges, just
second time out.
Yeah, how's that, eh?
and hopefully it runs a bit better than yesterday.
Oh, look at that, man. You had troubles yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, the diff moved one way about this way.
Oh, really? Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah. So overnight parts, yeah?
No, it spent all the spring saddles on the diff. So
Oh,
if you cut them off, all the better ones on.
yeah.
Something else, but we're going to do one before then called Trouble Back. Echo 3.